I'll take a picture with my camera in a second.
Well, first I have to get him to come over here.
Hey, you found the good side?
Billy's angry because he just wanted a drink and Bradley's making the water all muddy.
Oh, sorry. My dogs are hooligans.
Apparently it tastes better when it's muddy.
There's Billy being dainty.
Billy, come here. Come here. Come on, boy.
My dog's not.
Billy, what's this? Billy, come here. At least pretend you know what I'm talking about. Come on.
Hey, Billy.
Stand. Hey, you want to rock with me, Noble? Now take a picture of his good side. The pretty side. Billy, stand and stay.
If I don't die coming over to his pretty side. Nobody told me that there was a ridge here.
Oh, there's a ridge there. Billy, stand and stay. Good boy. Look at you stand.
Can Bradley photobomb in the picture?